Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 14. The respiratory organ of a cockroach is the A. Air sac, B. Trachea, C. Lung book, D. Lung. So we're looking at respiratory organs, various respiratory organs, and we're asked what is the respiratory organ of a cockroach. Now, a cockroach belongs to the class Insecta under the phylum Arthropoda, and in this class, within this class Insecta, their respiration takes place through a process or through a system known as the tracheal system. And in the tracheal system, what happens is that the tracheal system begins with small openings on the side of the body of the insect, and then opens into these small openings are known as spiracles. Now these spiracles open into trachea and then into smaller channels known as tracheoles. Now in most insects, the tracheoles lead to air sacs, and these air sacs can majorly be described as the sites or the major sites for respiration in the class Insecta or in insects in general. So now another important thing to notice is that the tracheal system is not linked to the circulatory system. So whenever they take in oxygen, what happens is that diffusion from the final tracheole to the individual cells occurs. This is the system that insects respire with, the tracheal system. So as you have rightly seen, the final respiratory organ or respiratory structure in insects, most insects, especially cockroaches, is the air sacs. So option A, which is air sac, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.